Hi, this is Brian with TCS, and today I'd like to introduce you to a new application that we've added to the UbiquiSTAT, a 3-speed fan coil. Now we've added that to two of our UbiquiSTAT models, the US4010 and its cousin here, the US4110. The difference being the US4010 has two MSTP protocols, our TCS bus and BACnet MSTP, while the 4110 we've added a Wi-Fi chip so it can also communicate BACnet IP over Wi-Fi. Now the US4010 series can already do multiple applications. It can be a single stage heat and cool stat, so it can do small RTUs and residential splits. It has a reversing valve output, so it can do full heat pump applications. It's got two modulating outputs, so it's a great zoning stat. It can modulate a zone damper and also a reheat valve. So it can do really full pressure dependent control where you're just trying to control based on temperature, not both temperature and a CFM range like you would in a full VAV type controller. And now we've added the 3-speed fan coil to that thermostat line. So let me show you how that's set up and how easy it is to use. You can access the 3-speed fan coil configuration on the UbiquiSTAT either through the settings on the main screen or going through the startup wizard. You will then get to a screen labeled thermostat type. The US4010 and US4110 now have three selections. Conventional is used for single-stage configurations, such as small RTUs or residential splits. It is also used when setting up the control for pressure-dependent zone control, using its two modulating outputs. Those modulating outputs can be configured on the UbiquiSTAT touchscreen or through software. Use the heat pump configuration when you need the BO output to control the unit's reversing valve on single-stage heat pump applications. And the new fan coil selection is used to configure the UbiquiSTAT as a 3-speed fan coil control. And once you've done that, that's it. Our genius of simple strategy automatically configures everything else for you. The G terminal is now configured for the low fan speed. The BO terminal is configured for medium speed, and the time clock, or TC output, is configured for high fan speed. Just wire those to the appropriate relays on the fan coil. You can pause the video and scan this QR code, which will take you to the UbiquiSTAT's instructions and guide you through the wiring process. Once you return to the home screen, you will now see this up and down icon appear next to the fan graphic, as well as the current fan speed. Touching this up-down graphic will bring up a pop-up where you can change the fan speed or configure the occupied fan mode. You can see that the fan speed is currently set to medium. Use the up and down arrows to change to low, high, or off. Selecting off will turn both the fan and the system mode off. Then selecting low, medium, or high fan speed will turn the system mode and fan back on. You can also see in this example that the occupied fan is set to auto and includes a description of what that means. Many times these controls will be installed in dormitories, hotels and motels, or senior living centers, where that explanation may be beneficial to residents. Pressing the fan mode button will take you to two options, in this case, changing from auto to on. Click Save and you will see that the occupied fan mode has changed to on, as well as a text explanation of what that means to the user. You can also see how using the arrows to change, for example, from the low fan speed to medium, and then clicking the Save button will return you to the main monitoring screen. And you'll note that the fan speed now reads medium. And because it has BACnet MSTP and BACnet IP over Wi-Fi, it's a great stat for using on any of those Jace or Niagara systems that you might have applications for. In fact, over half of the UbiquiSTATs we've sold have been on those types of third-party systems. Now, if you want to learn more about this great stat and that 3-speed fan coil operation, just go to our website at tcsbasis.com or contact us at 800-288-9383. One of our sales reps will guide you through the stat and also put you in touch with one of our distributors. Thanks for joining us today.